Make sure to stock up on the best sellers at wellastore.com. Use my code JAMIE to shop these products on wellastore.com to get exclusive savings. Color Post Treatment. Protect and enhance color results with a lightweight after-color treatment. Oil Reflections Luminous Smoothing Oil. This hair care oil is formulated with fine macadamia and avocado oils. This provides velvetiness and subtle gloss to the hair. Fusion Intense Repair Conditioner provides outstanding hair protection against mechanical damage. INVIGO Brilliance Color Protection Shampoo for normal hair. pH Optimized Shampoo for long-lasting color protection. Dark Oil. This Sebastian oil provides effortless styling and hair care from roots to tip. Leave a comment below with your favorite care and styling products.